soft and bright, just like the morning sun. These onions are perfectly fresh. They will add a great flavor. ये मिर्चें बहुत तेज हैं। Oh no, the fire is spreading. Somebody please help me, quickly. अब इसमें हम थोड़ा हरा धनिया और पुदीना डालेंगे। इसे अच्छी तरह से मिला लें। This recipe has been passed down for generations. It's all about the slow stirring. These are perfectly golden and ready, so let's make some more. Today we are making fresh mint chutney. Just add a bit of fresh yogurt and it is ready.
If you liked my video, then like my video and subscribe to my channel.
First, we crush the fresh ginger and add a cloves of garlic. This paste will make it delicious. Let's make some delicious. I miss the smell of home. Every onion brings a tear. If you like my video, please like my video and subscribe to my channel.